Okay, so this one's interesting. This is that same unit way back in February when we first did the install. So this zone controller's only been online for a couple of days, and this just illustrates the point that when the install is happening and when the project is early on, you really got to check these trends. The install process is complicated. A lot of times things get missed, and so the trends will reveal that to you. So here is a heat call, and you can see that the heat actuator goes to 100%, but the supplier temperature does not go up. Now I do have the outside air temperature going up pretty rapidly, so maybe now let's look at these. Yeah, these start to trend upwards. That's not very much though. Like the heat of the day, as the day progresses, that's pretty natural for the sun to come out and warm up the building. So that's inconclusive, but the spike in outdoor temperature, they could have switched the supplier temperature probe and the outdoor temperature probe. Now here here in the same day, it suggests that the supplier temperature probe is in the correct place. So let's just assume that the supplier temperature probe is correct and that something weird is going on with the outsider temperature probe. So if you see the heat call come in and the hot water actuator go to 100%, but no rise in supplier temperature, then there could be three things. The heat actuator is broken. It does not open when you think it's supposed to open. Because this is telling you that it's calling for it to be open. It doesn't actually mean that it is all the way open. So then you could have, it could be backwards. So when you send it 100% command, it goes to 0%. Could be backwards. Or also, I think in this case, the boiler was not on. I was the one taking over that boiler back in February, and I'm pretty sure on that day, the boiler was not running. So a call for heat, no hot water in the pipes. So even though the actuator was probably 100% open, you had no rise in supplier temperature.